Hey, Jeremy here with the Disc Jockey News. I'm at NAMM 2018, bringing me over to Dreamwave. Dreamwave just came out with a brand new product called the Rockstar. This is it. Awesome unit. You've got a nice size subwoofer, about an 8-inch subwoofer there. Different tweeters. I believe it's 3 tweeters in here, and a couple of mid-ranges. A really nice constructed box, just a little bit under 50 pounds, but this is the major thing that I like about this. You've got your channel 1 and your channel 2 inputs right there with your mic 1 and 2. You can also do a couple other with a third channel, a fourth channel with an auxiliary in for your iPhone or whatever. You do have an iPhone plug to charge your iPhone, but this is what makes this unit a lot different than the other ones. You're able to link as many as you want with the 2.4 gig. So you're able to go with, let's say you're doing an outdoor wedding ceremony for 500 people, huge. You may need, 6, 8, maybe 10 of these units, and they're all able to link together wirelessly, battery operated inside, 12 hours of playtime. So it's really, really a nice unit. They're available on Amazon right now, so you can definitely get them there. More information will be on the link below. And the top of this gives you a little bit of information on the top. The DSP mode. You got your microphone volumes, your EG volume, your auxiliary volume. Like I said, they are Bluetooth, so you're ready to go. And then you just link them right there, and your master volume. More information on the link below. This, again, is the Dreamwave Rockstar. It's Jeremy with the Disc Jockey News. Thank you so much for watching.